Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a protein-rich vegetarian sandwich recipe ideal as a filling meal to include in your weight loss journey. This healthy and nutrient-dense veg sandwich can be had as a meal for breakfast or as a meal for dinner in your weight loss diet. So let's get started with the recipe. To make high-protein sandwich, first I'm making a green chutney, and for that into my small chutney grinder I'm adding in a small piece of ginger. I'm just roughly slicing the ginger and adding in a handful of shallots for that extra iron and folate. Shallots is also a rich source of antioxidants, hence I prefer to use them in my recipes. However, you can totally omit it if you don't prefer to use them, or you can use 1/4 of an onion instead. 1 green chili you can increase or decrease as per your taste. 1 cup of fresh coriander leaves. I've also taken the stalks of the coriander leaves. Add the roughly chopped coriander leaves into the chutney grinder. 1/2 teaspoon roasted jeera powder, also known as cumin powder. 1/2 teaspoon amchur powder, also known as dry mango powder. 1/4 teaspoon chaat masala. This is entirely optional. Pink Himalayan salt as needed. Squeeze in half a lemon. Handful of roasted peanuts. This is entirely optional. And now I'm going to blend this really well. And my protein-rich green chutney is nicely ground. I've transferred it into a container. Now the best thing about this green chutney is that you can make ahead and store this in an airtight glass container, and it will stay good in the refrigerator for a couple of days. To make the high protein filling for this sandwich, I have taken 3 tablespoons of boiled green gram, also known as green moong dal. So into a plate I'm adding in 3 tablespoons of boiled green gram. The green moong dal has been boiled with some salt, so add salt accordingly. 1/4 teaspoon amchur powder, also known as dry mango powder. A fat pinch of freshly ground black pepper powder. 1/2 of a tomato finely chopped. Pink Himalayan salt as needed. And with a fork I'm mixing all this really well. I'm mashing the boiled moong dal into the tomato. Okay, now the moong dal and the tomato are roughly mashed. Add in 1/4 of an onion finely chopped, 1/4 of a carrot grated, 1/4 or about 2 tablespoons capsicum finely chopped, 2 teaspoons of the green chutney mix which we had already made and kept aside. And with a fork I'm mixing all this really well. And my high protein vegetable sandwich mix is ready. The best thing about this sandwich mix is that you can make ahead this and store it in an airtight glass container, and it will stay good in the refrigerator for a couple of days. So an ideal way to meal prep for your busy mornings. Spread green chutney on the bread slice. Place the filling on top. Spread some green chutney on the other slice as well. Cover. I'm heating my cast iron tawa and I'm adding in about a teaspoon of wood pressed groundnut oil. Instead of wood pressed groundnut oil, you can use A2 desi ghee or any locally sourced wood pressed oils of your choice. With a spatula, lightly spread out the oil. Sprinkle some sesame seeds. Place the sandwich on top, and then place something like a heavy skillet on top. Now this will help to make the sandwich press together and also helps to make the outer portion of the sandwich crispy. Drizzle wood pressed groundnut oil on top. Sprinkle some sesame seeds. Lightly press down the sesame seeds with the spatula and carefully flip it over. Place the heavy skillet on top and allow that side to get toasted. Once done, remove the skillet and serve to a plate. And my super healthy protein-rich vegetable sandwich is ready to serve. You can enjoy this as a filling breakfast or as a dinner. So guys, do try this recipe and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.